I'm gonna figure out something. Yo, you can mix with the music and gonna be a dancing. What's going on, everybody? On YouTube, that we are coming back with our channel Subake. They have a two clips, yes, with interesting facts and also the funny video to share with you with my little time. Okay, let's take a look together. What is this? Is it natural of these birds? I'm gonna figure out something. Yo, you can mix with the music and gonna be a dancing. Like that is nice move. An American Woodcock and her two chicks are searching for food together using a remarkable aptly bouncing walk, which resembles a dance that helps them to steer up warm. Wow! It's amazing. The young lynx are mimicking their mother's action as they motion forward and feel further movements of worms in the soil with their feet. Amazing, yes. But we all think they're dancing. Some people copy this and go to dancing like this. This is not perfect.
El Rolex.
Sáquele la cinta.
Es que para que se mire, mira, está medio.
Ah! This guy is such a face label. Even his hair.
El Rolex.
Sáquele la cinta.
Look at his
Es
mask.
que para que se mire, mira, está medio.
I don't know what to talk so much right now. Yes, I want to thank all of you as I'm watching this. It's not my watching, but I have something that I can spend time on making a video. Yes, I just want to share my fun from somewhere around the good environment like Reddit to all of you. Yes, I hope you guys love that kind of positive or love Reddit also, because on Reddit there are many good community. Yes, good community, positive community, better than other social media. Yes, and I don't know why we have to find other social media so much than Reddit right now. And thank for your time on watching that kind of video. See you for the next video. Yes.